Hello guys, it's Tech to the Hand here, back with another video. The Samsung Galaxy S21 FE has got to be one of the most leaked phones of all time. We know everything there is to know about it, and we've had that information reconfirmed a number of additional times, too. We've seen countless images, specification dumps, and we've even seen it potentially cancelled and revived. We then saw a new wave of leaks and renders cropping up, along with European pricing, too. Now it's going a step further, as the first real-life hands-on video has surfaced on Instagram. The phone in the Instagram Reels video, via Max Jamber, looks nearly identical to the regular Samsung Galaxy S21, with the same triple camera system as the S21 and S21 Plus, an Exynos 2100 chipset, at least in Europe, and a 6.4-inch OLED screen. We're expecting to see the phone launched in early January, and while earlier rumors put it at a January 11th launch, the associated Galaxy Unpacked event may be as early as January 4th now according to John Prosser, though it would still ship on the 11th. That's not all though, as a leaked hands-on video, via @Chunvan8888, was briefly live on YouTube before being made private. The video showed off an unboxing along with more shots of the phone, confirming that, at least in Vietnam, there's no charger in the box either. The same YouTuber also confirmed that the phone would launch with Android 12 based on OneUI 4.0. The Samsung Galaxy S21 FE's pricing seems fairly competitive, at least in Europe, but it's also launching with a chipset a generation behind the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. We're also approaching the expected release date for the Galaxy S22 series, so it will be interesting to see how the S21 FE's release will be affected by Samsung's newer phones. The S22 series will almost certainly be more expensive, but it could still drive potential sales away from the S21 FE. That's all for now guys, thank you for watching and I wish you all a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.